All right. So hi guys, hope you're doing good. And today we are back with another update, which is coming from Capgemini. So it's a job update, and this is basically for the students who have passed in 2021 or who are about to graduate in 2021. So before we move ahead and talk more about the eligibility criteria, about the method of recruitment, I request you to subscribe to the channel because we are about to reach 500 and soon we'll be crossing 1000. And this revenue that we generate would be used to feed stray animals and help to provide education for the students who can't afford it. So you'll be contributing to a noble cause. So help us reach 1000. So let's move ahead and discuss about the job. So as you move on to the link which I have provided in the description, you'll be redirected to this portal of Capgemini. So as you can see, this is Pulled Campus Drive 2021, and this is for both BTech and MCA freshers. This is some intro about the company. So we all know that Capgemini is a reputed IT firm, and this is some history and bogus shit. So let's move to the eligibility criteria, and the assessment will be scheduled from the second week of September. So I think the registration process would be ending pretty soon. So you're requested to register to the page ASAP. So if you look into the c- eligibility criteria, you can see that you should be graduating or have graduated in 2021. So it should be from 2021 batch, and you should have 60% and above in your diploma or in graduation. So this aggregate for graduation should be an average of your 7 sems. All right. So uh, the percentage will be calculated as per your rules from your board or your college. So refer to your college website or contact your TPM. And again for masters, it would be an aggregate of 5 semesters for MCA and for 3 semesters for MTech. And this is one good news that there is no percentage criteria for SSC and HSC. So I've seen students who are really good and really good in coding and technology, and have really great score in their graduation, but unfortunately they couldn't perform well in their HSC or even SSC, and they were not allowed to sit for the further rounds. So this is a great news for you that there is no percentage criteria for SSC and HSC. Again, the qualifications for graduation and post graduation should be MCA and a BE Tech, and it is open for all the branches. Okay, and we talk about the masters, which is ME and MTech. They should be from the streams of information technology, information science, and computer science. So there is some restriction for the masters. Again, we move to the some other requirements, which should be you should be possessing excellent communication skills, both spoken and written. You must be able to relocate to the different locations. So
So it's a,
it could be from Mumbai, Kolkata, Bangalore, Chennai, Gurgaon. So it could be anywhere. It totally depends on the requirement of the project, and you should be work across various technology and domain that you will be getting, and the role, and should be ready to work in both the shifts. So there would be different shifts based on the location of the client. So if your clients are from US or UK, you should be probably getting night shifts. So yeah, there will be 2 years of bond, should be open to signing us legal bond. So you have 2 years of bond, and if you leave found the bond, you have to pay compensation to the company depending on the how much time you have worked for company. And if you talk about the year gap, you should not have more than 1 year of gap. The academic milestones stages considered are 10th, 12th, and your post graduation. The candidate should not have gap in the academic milestone. Okay, and if you have, for some boards you have options to re apply or evaluate your marks. For I think for ICSE and CBSE you have option to reappear for the examination to get better scores. So if you have that, you need to provide both the mark sheets for your 12th, and in the criteria for that is you should have 50% score in both the attempts. Again, at the time of recruitment, you should not be having any backlog. So if you have any pending backlog, make sure you get it clear before the test start or before you're shortlisted for the procedure. And if you don't have backlog, yeah, you can apply for it. And sorry, if you have any backlog, you're not eligible for this recruitment process. Okay, so based on your scores, you will be shortlisted for your examination, and you will be given the test invite link, which would be conducted on secure browser, and all the procedure would be conducted in a virtual mode. And yeah, you are solely responsible for arranging all the requirements for your internet or a device that will be needing for the examination. So you should be responsible and should arrange for that accordingly. If we talk about the date of registrations, it would be from 23rd of August to 1st of September. And soon after registration, you'll be shortlisted and be getting your mock system check and your uh, candidate ID and all. So you'll be getting your all necessary details for this process. Here is a registration link. So if you, I think it will probably open on Superset portal. So for showing it to you, I'm opening the link. Yeah, it opens on Superset registration. So as you know, many companies recruit the Superset portal. This is basically a student portal for recruitment. As you can see the job advertisement, we will talk about that later. First talk about the process of recruitment. So you'll be getting your technical assessment pseudocode. There will be 5 rounds of test, and each round is an elimination round. So I mean, not about the behavioral competency. The first one, if you clear the first round, you'll move into the MCQ for English. Again, you clear that, you'll be move on to the game-based aptitude test, and in the last, you'll be getting a behavioral competency profiling. And based on your overall scores, you'll be shortlisted for the technical and HR interview. Right. So this is all about this opening. Let's move on to the Superset portal. Okay. So as you can see, this is the advertisement given by Capgemini, and the deadline is 1st of September, 11:59. And the job function is would be from software obviously, and the package is 3.8 LPA. So it may vary for BCA or MCA students, but for BTech it would be 3.8 LPA. And again, the same eligibility criteria and all the requirements are given here. You may head on to the apply now, and you need to register. If you haven't registered for Superset, you need to register for that, and again apply for this role. You need to upload the mark sheets and all your necessary details on this portal, and this would be verified either by the individuals from Superset or your college. So once everything gets approved, you'll be getting a mail for shortlisting and your test invitation link, and you sit for the assessment. So if you want me to make a video on the test and solve previous year questions, and if you want me to make a video on interview experience, I can do that. So it will eventually give you an idea of the process. Although there are various good contributors on YouTube who have shared interview experience, so you may also refer to that. Some of them I would recommend is online study for you, so you can refer there, and they have good content about interview preparation. They're also quant masters, so I will also be adding their links in the description, so you can refer to that. And that would be all about today's opening. So apply now, and all the best. Thank you.